Very good morning to one and all. I hope you all are fine. Great. So students, as you know that today we are going to start with English, and in English we are doing our chapter number 4, right? So we are done with the literature part. Today I am going to start the grammar portion of the chapter. Okay? And in the chapter I am going to start with the topic articles. You all must have learned about articles in your previous classes also, right? You must be knowing that what are articles. Am I right? Okay. So students, before coming directly to the topic, I just want to make you revise few concepts related to the topic. Okay? So the very first thing that in English, what is the basic thing that we start learning from? The basic thing are the alphabets, right? We start English by learning about the alphabets. Can anyone tell me that how many alphabets are there? There are 26 English alphabets, right? Starting from A till Z. We have 26 alphabets, and individually they are known as letters. What they are known as? Letters, right? So we can say that there are 26 letters in a group of alphabets. Okay? So now students, let us start one by one. As you know about all the 26 alphabets from A to Z. So these alphabets are divided into two parts. How many parts? Two parts. And what are those two parts? Number one, vowels. Repeat with me. Vowels. And the second is consonants. What is the second one? Consonants. So these are the two parts in which our English alphabets are divided. Okay? Vowels and consonants. Fine everyone? So from the 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowels. How many? 5 vowels. Count with me. A, E, I, O, U. Again let us repeat. A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Out of 26 alphabets, we have 5 vowel sounds. Repeat. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So out of 26, when we know that 5 are vowels, what are the rest of the letters known as? The rest of the letters, 21 letters, they are consonants. What are they known as? Consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H and so on till our last alphabet, that is Z, excluding A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Excluding A, E, I, O, U, the rest, all the 21 letters of the alphabet are known as consonants. Clear till here everyone? Okay, so I hope that till here it is clear to you that what are vowels, what are consonants. This I have told you. Why? Because before starting the topic articles, you all should know that what are vowels and what are consonants. Okay, now as the topic starts, we are already aware about the vowels and the consonants concept. So now I am going to introduce the 3 brothers of articles. Who are the 3 brothers of the articles? Do you know them? Let me introduce you to the 3 brothers of articles. The first brother is A. The first brother is A. The second brother is an. And the third brother is the. So there are 3 brothers of articles. Repeat with me. A, the. These are the three articles which we are going to study about. Before I start the topic, I want all of you to watch this video that I am going to play right now for your better understanding about the topic.
Hey Elvis, can we have an selfie together?
Oh, Emily, you just said "and selfie." You need to watch this movie. Let's go! Introducing Article Brothers. Meet the three Article Brothers. A, N, and the. All three brothers like to point out nouns. The twin articles A and N like to point out singular nouns. The elder brother, the, likes to point out both singular and plural nouns. A and N are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Though they are twins, both have different hobbies. The article A is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo. The article N likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant. Come, let's look at a few sentences where these three article brothers appear together. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. Thus, we can say that articles A and N are used to introduce a singular noun. Article the is used when we talk about the introduced noun the second time. In this case, it is the stall. So, Sia, now do you know when to use A, N, and the?
Yes, thanks Elvis for showing me this great movie. I now know that A is used with nouns that begin with consonants. N is used with nouns that begin with vowels. And the is used to talk about already introduced nouns. Can we have a selfie now? Please?
So students, in this video, we have seen the three brothers of the articles, right? A and the. These are the three brothers of the articles. So one by one now we are going to learn about the usage of these three articles. But before that, everyone, let us see the definition of the article. An article is a word that comes before a noun. And what are nouns? Nouns are the naming words. What are nouns? Nouns are the naming words. So before the naming words, what do we use? We use the three brothers of the articles, either A, and or the. Okay. Now the most important is to learn the correct usage of these three articles. One by one I will be explaining all the three articles to you. Let us start with the first article A. Okay. So students, as you know that A and an, they denote one. A and one person or one place. Okay? Whenever we are talking about any one thing, we always use either a or an. Now the most important thing, where to use a and where to use an. Okay? Right now, before starting directly to the topic, we have learned that what are vowels and what are consonants. Right? So this is only we have to keep in our mind while using a and an. Okay? So whenever a noun is starting with the vowel sound, repeat with me, when the noun is starting with a vowel sound, we will always use an. Okay? We will always use and with the vowel sound words. And what are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are the vowels. And with these vowel words, we are going to use an. Okay? Now, where to use a? Along with the vowels, we have learned about the rest of the 21 letters of the alphabet, and those were known as consonants. Yes. So, with the consonant words, we use a. We use a. Okay. So, from B, C, D, F till Z. Excluding A, E, I, O, U, we have consonants, and with consonants we use a. Now let us see some examples. So if I say dash boy, if I say dash boy, you know that boy is a noun, it is a naming word. So what are we going to use before a noun, that is boy? So the first thing that you will check that the boy is starting with the letter B. The boy word is starting with the letter B, and B comes under which category? Vowel or consonants? Tell me. Consonants. Right. So what do we use with consonants? We use a. We use a. It will be a boy. Now let us take one more example. Dash table. Table again is a noun. So which article we are going to use before a noun? Remember the rule? Very first letter of the noun, that is T. Right? T again comes in which category? Consonant. So with consonant again we are going to use a. Now let us take one more example. Dash apple. Okay? Dash apple. Apple is also a noun, and it is starting with the letter A. And A comes under which category? A is our vowel, right? A, E, I, O, U. So A is the vowel, and with vowel we use an. And nowadays you can see rain is going on, right? And in this weather, what do we need? We need umbrella. So umbrella. Umbrella again is a noun, and umbrella is starting with U. Umbrella is starting with letter U. Again remember, A, E, I, O, U are the vowel sounds. So with that we always use an. Okay? Here students, you have to understand one more simple thing, that some alphabets are there which are used silently also in some words. Like, let me take an example. Honest. We all must have heard this word, honest. Okay? Yes, when we write, it starts with the letter H. But when we speak, when we pronounce the word, it is starting with the sound of O. Honest, right? In such words, the alphabet H is used silently. Okay? So we are going to focus on the sound of the word. It is honest. Honest, getting the sound of vowel. So we are going to use and with it. An honest man. Okay? He is an honest man. Here in the word honest, it is silent. So we will focus on the sound of the word. Got it, everyone? So there are many words which have H as the silent letter. Honest, honorable, are. Okay? All such words, they have H in their spelling, but the sound of H is silent. So remember these few words. Okay? Now let us come to our next article, that is the. So before starting with the third and the last article, first of all let us take a quick recap of the first two articles that we have already learned. Article number 1, that is a. Article number 2, that is an. Both the a and an article, they are used with the singular noun. Remember, they are used with the singular noun. They are denoted as a single or one unit. Okay? Second point that we have learned was that alphabet A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, and with the vowels we use the article an. We use the article an. And the rest of the 21 letters B, C, D, F, G, M, N, P, R, all such alphabets which are left after taking out vowels, all are consonants, and with consonants we use the article A. Okay? Along with this, we have few silent words also which have silent H in them. So there also we have to focus on the sound of the word. If it is a vowel sound, we will use and with them. Okay, everyone? Now let us come to the third article, that is the. Okay? So students, the first thing that you need to remember is the article is always used with a plural noun. Plural means when there are more than one thing. Okay? When there are more than one thing, it is a plural noun. So with plural noun we always use the. With singular noun we use a and an. Okay? This is the first difference between them. Now the second usage of the article the is when in a paragraph or in any sentence, when we repeat the same noun again, then instead of using a and an again, we replace the article with the. Okay? For example, I love to eat an ice cream. Now I am going to repeat the word, the noun ice cream again in the same sentence. So I will use the article the. The ice cream is very tasty. Read with me. I love to eat an ice cream. Why an ice cream? Because here I is vowel, and with the vowel we article an. Okay, sentence is over. Now we are going to start with a new sentence, and again in the same sentence the noun is repeating. Ice cream. We are talking about the same ice cream, right? So we are going to replace the article and with the. It will be now the ice cream is very tasty. Okay, so in the same sentence, in the same paragraph, when the particular noun is repeating itself, for the repetition of a noun also we use the article the. Okay, for repetition. Now the third thing where we use the article the is with the unique things. With the unique things like moon. If I talk about moon, moon is only one, right? Do you have ever seen anything like moon? No, moon is unique in itself. So what all things which are unique, we use the article the with them. Okay, the moon, the sun, the earth, because they are only one. They are unique. So with all the unique things, we use the article the. Okay. Here students, we are done with the three articles a and the. I hope the topic is clear to you. Kindly refer to your book also for the further explanation of the topic, so that the topic will be more clear to you when you will go through it on your own also. Okay, so now we are going to end up this video here only. Okay everyone, bye, take care.